Loading local shell aliases to SSH session dynamically. When I log into some machine using SSH, I wish my aliases and functions are there. In other words, log into some machine, I wish I can use my command shortcuts. I need it be dynamic. Every time I'm log in, I wish I have updated aliases. Notes. Very often it is first time login, without knowing machine and files there. Sometimes it is single login. Just one time for that machine. It need to be cleaned afterwards. Previous configuration has to be restored too. You can temporarily copy your .bashrc to your remote machine with another name. For example, using .bashrc_temp. Afterwards you can log into the remote machine and source the file .bashrc_temp. Now you are able to use your .bashrc and your functions. When you are finished with your work, you can remove the file /bashrc_temp on the remote machine and log out. The copying of the file and the login to the remote machine may be achieved with a bash function. Update. You may also consider to copy the .bashrc to /tmp on your remote machine and source /tmp/.bashrc_temp. Update 2. You can log into the remote machine by using SSHT. This will automatically use your temp.bashrc updated function S.
I think SSHRC is what you're looking for, this URL. SSHRC works just like SSH, but it also sources /.ssshrc after logging in remotely. You can use this to set environment variables, define functions, and run post-login commands. It's that simple, and it won't impact other users on the server, even if they use SSHRC too. For more advanced configuration, continue reading.
Jen's now provided an excellent answer. I spent a bit of time and reworked it a bit to work a teeny bit better. This way, you can pass along any parameter to SSH, such as port numbers. The difference is that it uses the SSH command to upload the .bash file, instead of SCP, which uses different command parameter names. You'll also notice that it uploads a different file, .bash_remote, so that you can select exactly what you want to source on remote servers instead of everything. Run it as follows. The name SSHS is for SSH source. Use SSH when you don't want to source, and use SSHS when you do. This URL.
Not sure of the limitations, but I was able to get this to work with something like